Come check out this wake surf boat with no prop. This thing's a game changer. All right, check this thing out. This boat is beautiful. Coming back here on the swim platform, we've got a radio control for the sandbar. Makes things nice and convenient. I'm gonna climb up in here. Got beautiful rear seating, rear speakers. Get in the boat. This thing is beautiful. Plenty of space for the family. Subwoofer. Beautiful stitching. Dual controls. You got the cruise no wake feature. Huge ski locker. Beautiful bow seating. This thing is awesome. I really love this boat. This thing is sick. We just got it in, guys. Check this out.